In this video, we will cover options for generating a setup sheet. Setup sheet in SolidCAM can be generated in a few different ways. Can be generated from the button in the ribbon, can be generated for a CAM part on the right-click menu, then it can be generated for all operations, or it can be generated per setup. And last option is it can be generated for one or the group of the operations on the right-click menu. Once you start the process of generating, you are prompted with this dialog box. Logo field is used to point to a specific image file, which will be used in the templates as a logo image. Main part image can also be picked if there is a need. For example, the image of a real part can be used to output into a final document. Parameters sections. Here, a user can define custom values which can be also printed within the final document. Here you can add a value, you can name it on the label, you can add a value for your variable, and you can specify in which section you want to output it. Next, if there is a need for special information regarding the CAM part notes field can be used to output such a message. Sections checkboxes are used to determine which part of the template to include or exclude while generating your final document. In the Style section, user chooses which setup sheet template he would like to use for generating his final document. This drop-down list contains all the templates that are stored within the specified location for the templates. This location, customer specifies in his CAM settings by going to Tools, SolidCAM, SolidCAM Settings. Here, you find your setup sheet settings, and you can find the path that you need to specify where you will store all of your templates. Last option, but not the least, is the Only Use Tools, which, if left unchecked, outputs all the tools defined in the toolkit, regardless if they are used in the operations or not. Otherwise, if checked, will output only the tools that are used in the operations and skip all the other tools from the toolkit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.